Hey, hi all. So today we are going to learn about API body. So what is API body? So API body is a part of API which contains actual data which needs to send or receive. So what is the actual data? So let's consider the college social media app is there, and suppose we want to add any new student. So in that case, what will be the actual data? So actual data will be students information. So what is the student information? Name, email ID, status, gender. So what we can do, we can add all the data in the JSON format as per the API documentation, and we have to provide with the key. So name of the student along with the name of the actual student, email ID with actual email ID, gender and status. So this is called API body. So generally there are multiple types of API body available in the API. So what are those? First is JSON, second is XML, third is HTML, next is JavaScript, or even we can send the plain text. So body of two types, one is request body and second is response body. So what is the request body? So request body is the body which we send from client to the server. So in current scenario, what we are trying to do, the college authority is entering the data of the student in the web application and click on the submit button. So in this case, what is happening? The data is sending from the client to the server. In that case, the body is added in the request body. Okay. So when the request body is used, when we are trying to use the post command, when we are trying to use put command, or we are trying to use the patch command. So all these command we will discuss in the next few videos. Second is the response body. So response body is normally received when we are trying to access the student's information. So when it will be used in the get command, it will be used in the put command, next is the post command and patch command. Okay. So API response body is received from the server to the client. Okay. So let's see in the Postman tool where we can see this API body. Okay, so first what we will do, first we will check where we can enter the request body. So if you see in these tabs, you will see the body. So this is where we are entering the whatever request body we want to enter. See how we can get the format of the request body. So the simple way will be first send the get request, you will get the format of the body. So I will send the get request. So if you see, there are multiple students data I have received. So I can take any one response, okay, and paste it here in the body. Now what we have to do, so currently ID is given by the server itself. So in that case, we have to remove this value. Okay, so this will be the request body which we are trying to create. So whatever name we have to change, suppose we have to create the new user with name Tej Singh and with email ID tej at gmail.example. Okay, so this will be used as body. Okay. So when we send this request with the post command, here I am selecting post command and I have entered the whatever data I want to enter into the database. If I send this command to the server, okay, so if you see, you will get the response. So what this will be the response body. Okay, so this is received from server, right? So this is called response body, and this is what we are sending to the server is called request body. The one which is receiving from the server is called response, and one which is sending to the server is called request. So there are multiple type of body available. So where you can select it from here. First you have to select the raw, and then you can select as per your need, whatever. If you want to select the HTML, XML, JavaScript or text, as per your APIs you can select. Currently in our application The request body format of our API is JSON. That's why we have selected this as a JSON. Okay, so this is it from the body perspective. Thank you.